It's a beautiful day. I'm just recovering though. I have my brace, but I'm only wearing it for when I walk about. So this is my brace right here. So I drop my bike on my left knee and then I strain my right knee picking up the motorcycle. So I'm just here, but recovering. But um, I think because I was wearing my gear, full gear, it saved my knee from worse injury. So that's my gear on that stand over there. If it weren't for the gear, I would be in worse shape. I'm supposed to keep my uh, leg elevated and don't put any weight on it. So that's what I'm doing, which is not bad. Well, always wear your gear. That's that's the main thing. Take care.